life, and I guess that was it. It was to say goodbye at that point in my life. How can I get back from where I was at? I guess I would, I guess I could. I guess we all move on. What was the highest point of my life? Was it when I was getting high for the very first time? Or was it when I woke up on feet and no one ever noticed me? Did I accomplish anything in my life? I ask myself that every single day. Looking up at the sky, reaching up high, hoping reaching it one day. I guess we move on. I can't remember what I wrote yesterday. It was the shit I ever smoked. Down on myself cause I can't process. Little by little, I guess we all progress. I guess I would, I guess I could. I guess we all move on, I guess we all move on.